So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about a very important command, that is the purge command in AutoCAD, through whose helps the purge command actually removes unused items or named objects such as block definitions and layers from the drawing, so which is basically not in use. So let's say this is the two-floor drawing that you have done for a residential bungalow, and after completing the drawing, all you have to do is that select both the drawings that you want to purge on, and just write the command purge, 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 and just the AutoCAD will select all the purgeable items in the drawing, and it will ask you to select all the purge object. So here you have to select this option, that is the purge all option right over here, and it will ask you that you are about to purge block D39. What do you want to do? What you have to do is you have to purge this item, and that's all. Everything will be purged. All the unused object or the duplicate object will get deleted, and hence your file will also get compressed and lesser in size. Thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.